Hello, good evening. Hello, hello. I hope everybody is okay and fine from the last broadcast we did a couple of days ago. Today we will fly from, let me see, from Frankfurt to Innsbruck, Austria, and we will use live ATC, IVAO, and also at the same time using the flight simulator, the new one, with the latest modification from fly by wire. I think shows the name of the developer team. This version is 0.4.1, but this is a developer version, so might be exist some bugs in the Airbus. And today we'll start to do our best. Have some problems last time with the sound. We could not hear the sound from the tower and so on. But let's jump inside again now to start airplane. And first of all, I have to start the weather, because the weather it comes from the Rex weather force. And normally here it should be, let me see, it should be clear skies, correct? But normally now in a couple of minutes, and let's connect to the network at the same time. Let me verify. EDDF delivery. Let me check the sound. Make the preparations correct. And so many software is running on the background. And let's see here. We have connect in the IVAO system. Let me check. We have connectivity. Hello, good evening. This is Sierra Victor 1 Echo Quebec Echo Radio check. There is no radio check. Interesting. Let me check the frequency. 121,900. EDDF delivery. I am an EDDF. Let's see. Let me check checking the software. Yes. Hello, delivery. This is Sierra Victor 1 Echo Quebec Echo Radio check. I think we have problem, and this has happened also last time. Let's jump again. Delivery here. There's no delivery. What's going on? Let me see. There's only ground. Yes, the delivery has stopped.
Straight ahead on the left side.
26. Okay, right now, understand. No problem.
Let's start up as soon as possible. The airplane. It's too busy airport today here. Let's do DRS. we will forget the radio here. All the frequencies will be tuned from the client of IVAO. You cannot see that, but anyway, we will not use the service here today because it's a live broadcast. Let's check the ADS. QNH 1037. Hello, good evening. Sierra Victor 1 Echo Quebec Echo Radio check.
Sierra Victor 1 Echo Quebec Echo 5 to 5.
Thank you. I'll be back when I'm ready.
Again, please.
Thank you very much. I will be back when I'm ready.
Alright.
Frankfurt ground, good evening. Lufthansa 15 Mike on gate Alpha 24 request FA clearance to destination Stuttgart with information hotel on board.
Clear destination Stuttgart via Aniki Nana Lima departure out of 18 climb 4,000 feet, squawk 17.
Let's
Cleared via Aniki 9, cleared to destination Stuttgart via Aniki 9 Lima departure out of runway 18, initial 4,000 feet, squawk 1000, Lufthansa 15 Mike.
Is okay?
Okay, let's jump in the progress here. Yes, we have an updated database. No, expired yesterday, but we have to update it. Alright, let's see. But before, let's go like this. Okay, everything will have to be set manually today. So we depart from EDDF / Lima Oscar W India. There is no company route. The cost index will be 50. The flight level according to the flight plan is 270. The flight number is Sierra Victor 1 EQE.
Next, 771 cleared destination Amsterdam via Maroon.
No way.
5 Echo departure route out of 07 Center, climb 5,000 feet, squawk 1000.
We have a problem here. We cannot set the runway for departing.
Lufthansa 15 Mike request pushback.
Lufthansa 15 Mike, push and start approved.
Push and start approved, Lufthansa 15 Mike.
Transition altitude 10,000 feet here. The flaps will be 1, but let me see where is the problem with the flight plan. Here we are. We depart. I don't know why it doesn't work before. We depart from 70 Charlie and ANEC 4A. Insert. And then let me check the flight plan. We have to enter it manually in the system. We go to Aneki EDDF, goes to Aneki, correct, and then from Aneki we go to Nator. So enter here and Nator. Why? Let me see. Let's type it again. No, that's not correct. there's a Aneki, and then we go to Nator. Come on. Nator, and then we go to TRA, Tango Romeo Alpha. The first one, this one. Then we go to Dejes. Let me verify this. Yes, that's correct. And then we go to Gamsa. I will show you the way to do it manually in the flight simulator. I didn't before automatically because I have a mismatch when I try to tune the flight plan I created from the SimBrief directly and import it in the flight plan and flight simulator, so I prefer this way of typing the destination waypoint, so I have any mismatch with that. And then we'll go to MADEB. And then we go to, and then we land MADE 1B. Let's insert this flight plan, and then here an arrival will be 08. Let's see what.
Lufthansa 15 Mike, ready to taxi.
And the star is made 1B. That's one. Insert, return Novaya. Let's check the flight plan. If there is any discontinuation or any.
Lufthansa 15 Mike, request taxi.
Lufthansa 15 Mike, taxi holding point 18 via November 7 and November.
Taxi holding point runway 18 via November 7 and November. Lufthansa 15 Mike.
W, and then it goes back to 14. What kind of behavior is this? This is not normal. From 13 goes, the line seems to go to the destination 08 and then returns back to 14. Okay, we'll discard about this in the end. TVH primary, initialization, return. Okay, the fuel on board. Here does not display the remaining fuel on board. Secondary plan, there is not activated. Nothing of this is working till now. The flight simulator 2020. Go to progress report. Okay, and the performance. Okay, so far so good. So we clear to
Frankfurt ground, hello, this is Olympic 998, radio check.
Olympic 998, 525.
Olympic 998 with information hotel on board, request IFR clearance to Salzburg Airport A5.
Olympic 998 cleared. Salzburg via City 10 departure out of runway 18, climb 4,000 feet, squawk 1,000.
Please say again, sir, because your voice is broken. Olympic 998.
Olympic 998 cleared destination Salzburg via Cindy 10 departure out of 18, climb 4,000 feet, squawk 1,000.
There is no repeat. No repeat from Olympic 118. Now, may I broadcast or not? Just wondering. Frankfurt Tower, this is Sierra Victor 1 Echo Quebec Echo, request IFR clearance to Innsbruck.
Sierra Victor 1 Echo Quebec Echo, clear destination Innsbruck via Aniki 9 Lima departure out of 18, climb 4,000 feet, squawk 1,000.
Clear for departure for Innsbruck, 4,000 feet initial climb level and squawk code 1,000. Sierra Victor 1 Echo Quebec Echo. Can verify the departure runway is 7 Charlie.
Runway 18.
18, thank you. Oh, we're too far away from here. This is 1 18, so we have to modify. I have a different 18. Let's modify this.
Channel 771, that's setup approved.
Frankfurt Tower, can you please repeat again the SID for 18?
Sierra Foxtrot 1 Echo Quebec Echo, clear destination Innsbruck via Aniki 9 Lima departure out of runway 18, climb 4,000 feet, squawk 1,000.
Yeah, that's correct. What is the SID? The SID I'm requesting again.
Aniki 9 Lima.
Aniki 9 Lima, thank you.
Lufthansa 152, contact Frankfurt Tower on 909 is departure.
Frankfurt Tower 119.905, Lufthansa 159, vielen Dank, ciao.
18. So where is 18? 18. Now I'm totally lost here, but we will find it. Let me see. Let's jump again here. Initial climb phase 4,000 feet. But I have to find where is 18. So normally 187 is here. 18 is this one. Yeah. Be correct. Yes, 18. Starting from here. Sierra Victor 1 Echo Quebec Echo request start up.
Sierra Victor 1 Echo Quebec Echo, setup approved.
Thank you. Okay, so here we go. Turn on the beacon on. Navigation lock, okay. APU. Should have started APU before. Waiting for flap open. Flap is open. Let's turn the windshield on. Squawk code 1000. Turn this here and then go back here. Because temperature, let's see the temperature. The temperature is not correct. What is the temperature? The temperature is let me see, arrival 07, departure, echo information 03. Have 03. Oh no, this is 56. 56. Sorry, I mismatched this. Flexo temp is 56. Let's jump again and start the. Okay. Engine start 2. Start up. Misfire. Shut it down. Switch to start. Start engine 2.
X 771 taxi holding point 07 center via Lima, hold short Lima 20.
Okay. We did a big mistake. Now we start up the engines. Let's turn the flight director zone constraint on. Missile climb phase 4,000 feet. Waiting for engine stabilization. Engine stabilized, starting engine 1.
Grant, this is Ryanair 5 Hotel Delta. I'm with you.
Ryanair 5 Hotel Delta. Ryanair 5 Hotel Delta, taxi position Victor 113 via November 5 and November.
Yes, November 5 via November. And can you please give me my position again? Victor and?
Victor 113.
Victor 190. That's correct.
113.
Engine stabilized.
Victor 113, thank you. Via November 5 and November for Ryanair 5 Hotel Delta.
Navigation logo is on. Taxi lights. Let's do some checks in the controls first. Full left, full right, full down, full up. Everything is okay. Let's run an engine test.
Frankfurt apron at you 731 with medic emergency on board. Request Victor stand.
LTU 731, taxi stand Victor 136 via November 5.
Victor 136 via November 5 at you 731. At you 731, do you have any kind of possibility to get us around that, I think, Ryanair aircraft in front of us?
LTU 731, right on Lima, then position Victor 136.
Right on Lima, position 136.
Genex 771, contact Frankfurt Tower on 119.9 for departure.
Sierra Victor 1 Echo Quebec Echo request taxi. Sierra Victor 1 Echo Quebec Echo request taxi. What's going on?
LTU 731, taxi stand Victor 129er.
Stand Victor 129 at you 731.
This is Sierra Victor 1 Echo Quebec Echo request taxi to 118, sorry.
Sierra Victor 1 Echo Quebec Echo taxi holding point 18 via November.
Holding point 18 via November, Sierra Victor 1 Echo Quebec Echo. Oops, this truck should not be here. Try to avoid it, not possible. Let's ignore.
At you 731, ja, wenn du dich jetzt gerade wunderst, was macht der gerade? Ich habe mich gerade ein bisschen verfahren, ich mach mal kurz ein 180.
Alles gut.
Soll nicht heißen, die Berliner sind strohdoof.
We're in November.
Frankfurt ground, guten Abend, Lufthansa Vorseher Mike, we are on Papa, request taxi to the gate.
Lufthansa Vorseher Mike, continue to stand Victor 169er via Papa, November 11 and November.
We are going to Victor 169 via Papa, November 11 and November, Lufthansa Vorseher Mike.
Sierra Foxtrot 1 Echo Quebec, Echo contact Frankfurt Tower 119er, decimal 9 for the 5 tower.
Switching to towers, Sierra Victor 1 Echo Quebec Echo, goodbye.
.805, bye-bye.
This is Sierra Victor 1 Echo Quebec Echo, almost on the holding point of runway 18, ready for departure.
Sierra Victor 1 Echo Quebec Echo, Frankfurt Tower, good evening, wind variable 1 knot, runway 18 clear for takeoff.
Sierra Victor 1 Echo Quebec Echo, clear for takeoff, thank you. We got clearance, so go to TCAS and switch. Here all. Lights, everything on. TCAS active. Max brake. Config test. Okay. Light plan here, 4,000 feet initially. Release parking brake. Engine 50%. Almost 50%, and flex. SRS green, runway. Not sure about 100. V1, rotate. Positive rate, gear up. Autopilot on.
Sierra Victor 1 Echo Quebec Echo, contact Langen 120.805, bye-bye.
Switching to 120.80, thank you. ATC 120.805. Good evening, approach. This is Sierra Victor 1 Echo Quebec Echo, climbing 4,000 feet, heading to.
Low identified climb flight level 110.
Can you please repeat again your broadcast?
Climb flight level 110.
Flight level 110, Sierra Victor 1 Echo Quebec Echo. So many things are happening at the same time, so we forgot to retract to speed, and We had for a small period of time overspeed. And we have the sun direct in my eyes. And we forgot to mention Aneki. And let's check. Standard. Just passing 10,000 feet. And we're flight level 110. And still waiting for further clearance to ascend to our destination flight level, which is 270. One to seven 500 next. We're going to control. The weather is pretty good today, pretty good, and I'm curious why. Let me see. Completed, yes. We have select clear skies, but this will be live. Okay, let's switch to live weather. And soon we will expect handoff. Let's see. Yes, normally I should switch to 127.5 127.5 because the controller forgot to hand me over. That's not my fault. Hello, good evening. This is Sierra Victor 1 Echo Quebec Echo at flight level 110 heading to Aneki.
Sierra Victor 1 Echo Quebec Echo. Hello, radar contact. Climb flight level 270.
Ascending to flight level 270, Sierra Victor 1 Echo Quebec Echo. The previous controller forgot to disengage me.
Lufthansa 15 Mike, established localizer as runway 07.
Lufthansa 15 Mike, Roger. Contact now Stuttgart Tower 118.805.
Oh, something might be wrong.
Contact Stuttgart 118.805, Lufthansa 15 Mike, vielen Dank, ciao.
Fly 186, proceed direct to ARPEC.
Fly direct APEC, Terrafly 186.
Genex 771, monitor Unicom 1228, bye-bye.
The reason I prefer to fly with the Flight Simulator 2020, even this aircraft is not model correct, I still have a lot of progress to do, the new mode. The reason I prefer is the graphics and the weather, the generation of the weather and the cloud system. It's absolutely astonishing.
Unit 1's 90 X-ray. Which one do you like? 07 left or right?
Left would be appreciated, 90 X-ray.
Okay, expect an ILS Zulu 07 left.
ILS Zulu 07 left, you'll have 90 X-ray, thank you.
Delta Charlie, Uniform Mike, Uniform. You are leaving the sector, monitor Unicom 1228, bye-bye.
22, that's from 8, 7 bye-bye.
Well, the external views are amazing, really amazing. Look at this. As I mentioned before, there are a couple of bugs in this modeled airplane, but they're still in progress. A lot of things has to be done, at least to reach the detail level of other packages of airplanes, like free from flight Frankfurt, for instance, for X-plane. But one thing that's it's uncomparable and unbeatable is the graphic level. It is really astonishing, amazing. There are words to describe it. Oops. Let's see what's going on. Nothing's going on, but we have stabilized the setting somehow. I don't know why. Because it's getting speed. And now I'm setting again. And let's try the showcase camera externally. Yes. Oops. Lost it. I have not get used to the controls. It takes some time. Actually right now I'm using an Xbox.
90 makes way when ready, descend 5,000 feet, QNH 1037.
I was
5,000 QNH 1037 when ready, Eurotrans 90 max ray.
I'm using
Speedbird 2586, Langen radar, hello, radar contact, maintain flight level 370.
I'm using an Xbox controller to control the views in case you want to use it for external camera views. It's much more convenient, but I'm still learning it. I'm still learning. Oops. I lost it. How you get down? I don't know. Now we're in cruise phase. 270 flight level to 27,000 feet. But one thing I can do is accelerate in order to save some time the cruise speed. And let's check where are we. But somehow have to turn left here, and this is a very good chance to play with the views. get down here? I don't know. Oops. We lost the airplane. Follow mode. What I have done wrong? Drone focus, zoom speed level. I don't know, I lost it. So how can I get back? Track IR. No, this is not. Drone follow mode, zoom lock mode, zoom level, drone speed. So what? I really don't know, I lost it. Just press a button here, I lost everything. Okay, let's go back in the cockpit. I prefer the mouse, it's more convenience for me to control it. I mean, look at the pilots, they're wearing a blue tie. And according to the flight plan, we start descending. Wow.
Fly 156, reduce your speed 250 knots indicated, number 2.
250 knots, Fly 156.
Normally when I change the cost index here and I have the managed speed, it should be automatically readapted, but this is not yet modeled, this airplane. Come on.
Eurotrans 9mm X-ray, turn right heading 340.
Right heading 340, Eurotrans 9mm X-ray.
DC 0645, contact now München radar, frequency 129.1. Bye-bye.
One thing which is modeled here, and I like it very much, is the all button here, which switch pages. Ah, wait a minute. I have fuel page. I noticed a new one. Let me see. Flight controls, status, cruise, engine, blade pressures.
Eurotrans 9mm X-ray, final vector, right heading 040, cleared ILS Zulu 07 left, report established.
Right, 040, cleared ILS 07 left and Wilco, Eurotrans 9mm X-ray.
Sierra Victor India Echo Quebec Echo, you are leaving the sector now, monitor Unicom 1228, bye-bye.
Switching to Unicom, thanks for the ATC, 122.8, thank you. Switching to Unicom. Can do also here this one to simulate the process. Still a long way to go. Let's check the weather. Looks clear with a few clouds. Let's check the condition of the airport. Let me see. On Innsbruck. On Innsbruck we have QNH 1034. Let's prepare this now. The temperature is 9 degrees and the speed of the wind speed is let me see, the METAR is 50.05. The transition altitude let's see. I don't have information for that. Not responsible for okay. And soon you have to tune 129.1. Soon you have to tune 1229. Minimum decision altitude 300 feet. No. 250. And transition altitude is 10,000 feet. We approach 130. Okay, let's leave it like it is. Have no altitude indications for constraints. I don't know why this is happening. I have absolutely no idea. This should not be happening. But I can see here from Elmen we can start our descent. But it is too No, it's too short, I think so. Let me see. Flight plan I need. No, it's possible. But we have a very steep descent here. It's not possible to have 270 and it goes to 130. It's too short. No, so we start our descent from probably from Madem. Let me see. Yes. We descend from Madeb and afterwards. Just a little bit earlier. Somewhere around here. Okay, let's switch to manage speed. This
München Radar, guten Abend. Christian 405 Hotel, inbound Gamsa, flight level 310.
Austrian 405 Hotel, München Radar, hello, identified, descent flight level 150.
150 confirm?
AFA.
good evening, this
Level 150, Austrian 405 Hotel.
good evening, this is Sierra Victor 1 Echo Quebec Echo at flight level 270 heading to Madeb and request descent.
Sierra Victor 1 Echo, Quebec Echo, München Radar, hello, identified. Descent flight level 150, cleared MADEP 1 Bravo, arrival.
Flight level 150, clear to MADEP, thank you. Sierra Victor 1 Echo, Quebec Echo.
Sierra Quebec Echo, cleared MADEP 1 Bravo, arrival.
1 Bravo arrival, Sierra Victor 1 Echo, Quebec Echo.
Easy 0645, say again.
Easy 0645, that was clear to descend second level 217.
Easy 0645, switch Unicom 122, decimal 8, bye-bye. Sierra Victor 1 Echo, Quebec Echo, switch Unicom 122, decimal 8, bye-bye.
Switching to Unicom 122.8, thank you. Sierra Victor 1 Echo, Quebec Echo. We'll terminate this.
Austrian 405 Hotel, cleared MADEP 1 Bravo, arrival.
Cleared to MADEP 1 Bravo, arrival, Austrian 405 Hotel. Dankeschön.
There's no ATC for Innsbruck, unfortunately. And we must descend 130. The speed brakes are armed. This sector, the FIR, is not as possible for Innsbruck. Below flight level 165, just notify that from the NOTAM. We continue. And now we'll have to intercept Elmen 130, then continue for the final approach. Yes, go straight to Elmen. There's one also flight behind us. It is following us. We can skip Elmen actually to go to WY 810. Where the graphic presentation of FMGS is not correct, the navigation display is not correct. It's confusing, this airport. Flaps 1. WY14. I don't understand the presentation of the line like this. There's no... Normally, when I set here, let's try 7,000, 6,000 managed. It will keep me there is no speed, there is no altitude constraint. Flaps 2. Gear down. Come on, descend. Descend. Oh, too high, too high. This kind of approach not yet modeled. Is not correct modeled. I don't have altitude restrictions. I don't have anything here. I almost fly VFR. We're still very high. Very high. Flaps 3, flaps full. I guess the altitude is somewhere 3,000 feet. Descend. Have visual. There's the airport. Hit speed brakes. And I take it manually now. I will definitely take it manual. My plane. Checklist, gear down, flaps full. Check. No, I can't fly the bird like this. I need a full view from here.
Above.
Checked.
Minimum.
Continue. Checked. Checked. Oops, there's another plane, but it's not dependent on us. So line gamer from
40, 30, 20. Retard 5.
Oops, there's a step here. There's something wrong with the scenery. Welcome to Innsbruck. There's another gamer, but it's not in IVAO community. We ignore this plane here in front of us. Oops. Overturn. Okay, you can pass, I can pass, we cannot pass. Traffic, Innsbruck, a lot of traffic. These planes are online gamers, online simmers from Microsoft Flight Simulator. We ignore them. Come on, get out of the way. Somewhere here we can park. Let's find the position. There is no ground crew for us. We can park here. Parking brake set. Weather radar sister. Windshield protection off. We have no. I will have APU, so we can shut down the engines and turn everything down. Pumps off. Seat belts. Lights off. Battery off. Let's have some ground crew now. Disconnect from IVAO. Yes. Turn the TCAS off. And park for takeoff. Nothing. So we're shutting down everything. APU bleed is off. We'd shut down the APU. And normally everything is down. Thanks for watching. There is no replay mode in Flight Simulator. I hope you joined the flight and spent some nice time here watching the video. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye.